Hey, nice to see you again on the CrocFix channel. I hope you subscribed. So, in this video I will show you how to hard reset the Realme C11 2021. Where is the problem? So if you have the phone and you forgot your pattern to unlock the phone, or you have forgotten your PIN number or password, then this video will be for you. So you will see that you already tried too many times. So what you will do is following. Firstly, we need to turn off the phone by holding the power button and then confirm and turn off the phone. Okay, when the phone is turned off, you will click on volume down button and power button. Volume down and power button, and hold these two buttons until you see the screen with no command. There will be an Android robot in green color and it will say no command. So let's hold these two buttons until we see this screen. Still keep holding the buttons. There we go. So now you see the screen with no command. Now we'll go and click together the power button and the volume up button once. If it didn't work, try again. Let's try again and again and again. Again. So maybe there is a not good connection. Alright, so you need to press first the power button and then the volume up button. So like this, click, 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 click. Alright. Now we are in the recovery menu. So now go down where you will see Vibe Data Factory Reset. This will delete the password, the pattern, and you can use your phone again. But it will also delete your photos and contacts on the phone. So unfortunately, there is no other procedure. Confirm now with the power button, go down with the volume down button until you see factory data reset, and confirm again with the power button. And now wait for a couple of seconds till this job is done. You will see here wiping data, formatting data. So this needs to be finished. Alright, so once this process is finished, you can click on Reboot System Now and confirm with the power button. Now let's wait till the phone reboots and you will use it like it's brand new, with activation and choosing language at the beginning. So that's it. You successfully removed the PIN code. I forgot to mention, if you had a Gmail account in this phone before this reset, you will need to enter your Gmail and your password. If you have forgotten it, then you will need to search for Realme C11 2021 FRP Unlock. Let me know in the comments if it did work for you, if you want to ask something, or if you just want to say thank you. And don't forget to subscribe.
Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.